Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social session. Children, yesterday I discussed with you regarding the syllabus for the academic year 2020-21, children. Hope it is quite clear to you. If you could not understand about yesterday's presentation of syllabus reduction, you can re-see it or review it. You will clearly understand the lessons which are mentioned are deleted from the syllabus, and few of those lessons are already taught. So you need not bother which are taught, and which are not taught will not be taught again. Okay. So today we move on to the 15th unit after the local self-governing institution, that is the diversity in our society. Okay. And this is the 15th unit. Coming to the diversity in our society, what is the diversity, children? Diversity बोले तो क्या है? Diversity means, see, different kinds of languages are present in our country, different religious people are present in our country, different food habits are there, different dress and health, different clothing habits are there. So in spite of all these differences, we all live together. Unitedly we live. That is called as diversity in unity. Unity in diversity. So in our society we find such kind of diversities, but still we live together. So about this diversity in our society we will discuss today. In the earlier chapters, we have seen how the land on which we live is also varied. Varied means different. Some places receive more rainfall, some places receive less rainfall. Some places will be very hot, some places will be very cool. So different varied conditions are present on the life. So depending upon that, the life of the people also will be different. People living in cold conditions will have different kinds of habits. The people living in hot conditions will have different kinds of habits. So different varied kinds of people you find here, their lifestyle. Diversity is present only between different places, but within your classroom also you will find this diversity. Of course, we find diversity even in the classroom within our society in which we live, within the district which we live also we find a diversity. Diversity means different. See, different religious people, different language speaking people, we all live together in a place. So that is called as diversity. It is called as diversity, children. So in our neighborhood, of course, if you live in the area where it is inhabited by different kinds of people, people from Bihar stay, if people from Delhi come and stay there. So different regions, people, if they live together, that is called as a diversity. So if you look around yourself in the classroom, or if you look yourself even in the colony in which you are living, you see who looks exactly like you. Do you see anything who looks exactly like you? So in this chapter, you will learn about the people different from each other in many ways. Even though you look about the other people, but they look different in many ways than you. So not only do they look different, but they might also belong to a different region. They may belong to a different culture. They may have a different religious background. So different kinds of variations you find between the neighborhood and you. So these differences enrich our lives in many ways. They add to our lives many new things, and we also try to follow their culture, and they try to follow our culture. So such kind of exchange of cultures will take place when different region people, different culture people live together. So these differences enrich. Enrich means, what do you mean by enrich? Enrich means they add to our existing. They enrich, enrich. They add to our life, okay, new things, and that make our life more colorful. So, and they also make them more fun. Our life, they make us more fun. All these people with different backgrounds, different religion, different culture help make India so interesting and so diverse. Of course, India is a place where different religions live together, different cultures live together. If you go to Maharashtra, you find different culture. If you go to Karnataka, you find different culture. You go to Tamil Nadu, you find different culture. So India is a land where you find different cultures, different religions, and different food habits, different climatic conditions even. So India is a land of diverse. And what does this diversity add to our lives? So this diversity, how India becomes so diverse, are all kinds of differences a part of diversity. We'll read about these diversities in India. and we will find answers to some of these questions in our present lesson called as diversity in our society. So we shall see about them in the next class, children. Thank you.